Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Now you can manage your full business or your manufacturer company or your any service from our system, from our software. So here you can get all the necessary tools that you need. For example, accounting, sales, purchase, inventory, project, and the feature here we can increase here. For example, we can add manufacturer and we can add our employee, HR system, everything we can add here as per your requirement. For example, now I am in accounting, so from your mobile you can also manage everything. Here you can get all the necessary thing for your managing accounting. For example, you have customer, you can send invoice, you can send credit note, you can send receipt, payment, follow up report, everything. And also you have some vendor, that means you purchase something, for that you have vendor bill, refund and everything. And for accounting you have journal entries, and many things, all the necessary information. For example, partner ledger, then a general ledger, trial balance, journal audit, everything you can get. Also you can get tax report, everything. So it is a complete ERP system, so you will get everything that you need. Also if you go to project, then you can create a new project here. For example, you have some project, then you can add some project here. And from inventory you will manage your full inventory process. For example, if you want to transfer something internally, or you receive or you deliver, or any product, your stock, how move history, that means from one place to another place, how much product go or come, everything you can manage from this one platform. So it is very flexible, and it is we can increase feature based on your requirement. Any software, any kind of business, any kind of manufacturing company, that means who are want to produce something, or any service company, for example manpower supply, or education or hospital, any kind of software we can integrate it, we can manage it by this software. So based on your requirement we will give you more and more feature. So please contact support@superglobalhost.com and send your requirement, and we will discuss further there to fulfill your requirement. Thank you.